Hey there, welcome to Oakridge Ford, located in London, Ontario. My name is Brittany, and today we are discussing when to change your cabin air filter. Millions of drivers breathe in nasty stuff like dust, mold, spores, smog, and pollen every day when they get behind the wheel. That's why today we're discussing cabin air filters. When your engine air filter gets dirty, it prevents the proper amount of clean air from reaching the engine, leading to many problems for your vehicle. If your car has dirty air filter, you may notice poor engine performance or lack of power. Reduced gas mileage, or your check engine light may come on. When you experience any of these symptoms, the top of your list should be checking your engine air filter. It's a good idea to check the air filter at each oil change. You should change your engine air filter annually. If you live in a dusty area, you should frequently change the engine air filter. Keeping your air filter clean keeps the engine free of dirt. A clean air filter is in your engine's first line of defense to staying dirt-free and running correctly. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your car's hood and find the engine air filter housing. It's a black plastic box that sits on top of or to the side of the engine. You will see a large housing out of its side. Step 2. Open the air filter housing and take out the old air filter. Remember to use caution when removing the housing cover, as it may have a wiring harness and electrical components attached to it. The air filter housing can be fastened with screws, clips, clamps, or wing nuts. Open the air filter housing, remove the fasteners, remove the top of the air filter housing, and take out the air filter. Remove any dirt or debris in the housing by wiping it out with a rag. Step 3. Inspect the old engine air filter to ensure it is dirty and needs changing. Look inside the pleats. If you see a lot of dirt, it is time to change the air filter. You can also tap the filter, and if dirt falls out, your air filter is past its prime and needs replacing. Step 4. Place the new engine air filter in the filter box. Insert it in the rubber rim facing up. Ensure that it is sealed correctly. Step 5. Put the top of the housing back on and put the fasteners back on. Now you have replaced your air filter. To learn more about quality air filters, find your car part, or find where to buy your parts, contact Oakridge Ford today at 844-209-9936 or book your service appointment at www.oakridgeford.com.